What do you got?
Four.
Thor?
Four is here.
Is he in the balloon?
Yep. For him in there.
You're gonna find him in there?
Yep. Let's fight in there. Let's fight in there.
Your friend's in there?
Yep. And two friends.
Who's your friend?
Four. Four.
Is he a superhero?
Yes.
Or a demigod?
I said it will.
Oh. What's his weapon?
He's hammer.
His hammer. Now,
Again.
uh-oh.
Look at it, Mom.
Oh. Mommy's not that tall, and you just took the rope off.
I don't want the rope.
Oh, no.